Hey, thank you again for being part of this. So this is the second course. Once again, it is the same curriculum, it is just delivered in a different way. So it is still on the course sites LMS. The difference is I have eliminated in this course the discussion boards, the discussion forums, and they have now been included into the videos via a technology called VoiceThread. So as a student, you log onto the course, you go to week 1, and it's all built in. So Module 1 will say, start by reviewing the lecture video below. Using the commenting system on VoiceThread, comment on each photo after the lecture with the following information. Type of photo, what you believe it is, why that type of photo, and why. Also, during the video lecture, students can simply leave comments on the video without having to go to a separate discussion. So I'll show you an example of this. The video starts, and just like usual, a student can watch the video, watch the full lecture. They can actually go full screen if they would like and watch the entire lecture. The difference is while they are watching, they can easily hit comment and actually create a comment, which is very, very cool. So they would click in, they would sign into their VoiceThread account, which I encourage you to create one while you're messing around with the course. In a typical class, a teacher would be able to assign these to everybody. So they would be able to log in, and they'd be able to leave comments in various ways. They can leave a text comment. Oddly enough, they can call in by phone and leave a comment. Just a voice comment, a video comment, or actually upload comments as well via documents or anything else. Just for right now, I'll show you a text comment would, hello, test, 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 and leave a comment. And as a separate user, they can come in and, so let's say a separate user came in and wanted to reply to this comment. They could simply come in and reply to that comment, not only with text, they can come in and reply with voice or anything else they want, which is great because the teacher can then quickly respond back and forth to students. So after the lecture happens, there are the slides that I talk about. So as opposed to having that separate lecture section, it just continues. So as we look here, there are 2 comments, one from a student and one from me, the teacher. So as a teacher, I can click on here, and I can watch the student leave a comment. And not only that, he, as a student, is able to draw on the photos and explain what he's talking about. I can then come back and talk about how I agree with him, disagree with him, and give advice. If I was a different user, I'm going to pretend to be Jake now. I can come in and reply to the teacher with text and say, I disagree because, etc. Now, all of these live directly on the video. So you have a threaded conversation actually going on via text, video, or audio directly on the video. Same thing here. It looks like somebody wrote, this is a photo in the fine art category. Jake wrote, I think it's commercial more so than fine art. And then the teacher came in and actually left a comment via audio. So same thing happens in week 2. In week 2, a student would come in, start watching the video. Looks like a student wrote hello as a teacher. Teacher could come in and respond to that comment. Hi. Or later on in the video, if a student wanted to come in and leave a different comment elsewhere in the video, they could come in and leave a completely new comment thread. I think, etc. Leaves a comment. And that now shows up as a different thread. So you can scroll through all of the threads and see all the comments going on. Additionally, now it skips to the different photos that we can now talk about. The teacher left a video discussion, in which case talks about, points out the rule of thirds that is happening in the photo, and a number of things. Second photo, a student talks about the photo and points things out as well. So that is how this course would work using VoiceThread. There would no longer be the discussion boards. A student would be able to come in and discuss during week 1 and week 2 directly on the videos. Additional course documents are there as well to watch just the slideshows. Same photo help. So same curriculum, same pretty much everything, same assignments, same discussions. The difference is in this course, you are not going to a separate discussion thread. You are talking back and forth to each other directly on the lectures and the photos. So thank you again for watching, and if you don't mind taking the survey when you are done playing around with the courses, that would be great. Thanks again.